Hi, I am Ranjana Kacholia, co-founder of The Learning Tree. I have been teaching abacus since past last 19 years. And here is my son, Pranjal. He is one of the students of my very first batch. So Pranjal, could you give your short introduction about yourself?
Yes. Hi, I'm Pranjal. Uh, I have been working in the US for past 18 months in Intuit as a software developer. And I completed my master's in computer science from there in 2022. And here I am for my vacations and doing a podcast with my mother.
Pranjal, you learned abacus in your childhood, right?
Yes.
Do you still see its impact today?
Yes. So today, when I have to do calculations in my mind using abacus, I do it mentally. So essentially, I have to visualize abacus in my mind and then put the beads up and down to do the actual calculations, which involves concentration from the start to the end, right? So, uh, like I have seen, even when I'm doing coding, I have a lot of people around me who are talking, but still I have to concentrate to solve a bug or to do a task that I have been given. So abacus is not just about calculations. It's more about concentration across areas, whether it's coding, it's your school subjects, physics, chemistry. It improves your mental concentration and that too over a sustained period of time.
This is the exact message which I wanted to share with people. So, Pranjal, how did abacus help you with calculation in your academic journey?
So, abacus has made calculations almost instinctive for me. I started learning abacus when I was in fifth class, and I could visibly see even back then that I was much faster in mathematics as compared to my peers. Not only that, Abacus has helped me a lot to crack IIT and get into IIT Delhi. So when I was preparing for the exam and even when I was giving the exam, I was able to focus more on the concept rather than on the calculation part. So, if you see, calculation is involved in every subject, whether it's maths or physics or chemistry. So, the total time for me to solve a problem was reduced a lot because I was able to do the calculation part of it with abacus and with much more confidence because I knew that the answer is correct.
Pranjal, people say that when you stop learning abacus, you forget it. What is your opinion about it?
No, that's not right. So, like 2 years back, when I was giving my GRE exam for my master's in US, I was able to get full marks in the math section of it. Uh, in and that too in a very less time. That involved a lot of calculations each question. But since the very way that I've learned of doing calculations is using abacus, that comes natural to me even today.
So, Pranjal, today I have surprise for you.
Okay.
Pravesh, give me my abacus book. Let's put your calculation skill to test.
Sure, why not?
So, Pranjal, let's start. 159 minus 23, 568 minus 52, 3, 254 minus 36 minus 167, 863. Answer is
777.
nice. That correct. So, Pranjal, from your experience, what would you suggest to parents who think that abacus is an extra activity, not essential?
I think in your formative years, things are not only about calculations, but more about training a child's mind to focus and think clearly while studying. Uh, from my own experience, Abacus has helped me build that foundation early on. So I think kids should definitely learn Abacus early on in their life.
That was really insightful conversation with you, Pranjal.
Thank you.